Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Microsoft Sphere Authentication Alert, what you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to Microsoft Sphere. Today we're talking about a security update that's going to help you avoid some pesky authentication issues on your Windows devices. So, you know how sometimes when you try to log into your work or personal device, it just won't cooperate. Maybe it says your credentials are invalid or that the account is disabled. That's what's been happening to a lot of users who have Kerberos PKINIT pre-auth security protocol enabled on their systems. Turns out, Microsoft has fixed this issue. And if you're running Windows 11 24H2 or Windows Server 2025, you need to update your device ASAP. The problem was caused by passwords not rotating correctly when using the Identity Update Manager certificate and pre-bootstrapping key initialization protocol. Sounds technical, I know. But here's the thing. This issue is only affecting certain users, mainly those who work in enterprise environments. If you're on a home device or personal PC, chances are you won't be impacted. Microsoft explains that devices fail to change their password every 30 days because of this rotation failure, leading to user authentication issues. Now, the good news is that Microsoft has already released a fix for this issue back in April 2025, with Windows security updates for Windows 11 24H2 and Windows Server 2025. And if you're running an affected device, they recommend installing the latest update. It's got some serious improvements and resolutions, including this one. But wait, there's more. Microsoft also disabled machine accounts in Credential Guard until a permanent fix is found. That's because Credential Guard is dependent on Kerberos password rotation, which we just talked about getting fixed. Don't worry, it's not like your device will start acting up or anything. It's just a precautionary measure. Now, let's take a step back and think about all the other security updates Microsoft has released recently. From fixing remote desktop issues to blocking BSODs on PCs, there are always so many things happening behind the scenes that we don't even realize. In fact, Microsoft has been addressing Kerberos authentication problems for years. Remember those emergency out-of-band updates in November 2022? And then there were the fixes for Windows Server and other devices. It's a lot to keep track of, but one thing's for sure. Microsoft is always on top of things when it comes to security. So make sure you're keeping your device up to date with the latest security patches. Your data and your productivity will thank you. That's all from today's episode of Microsoft Sphere. See you next time.